In this video, I will show you how to get a Kajabi extended 30-day free trial. And this can save you hundreds of dollars in your first month. So what you want to do is first go to the link down in the description. That will take you to this special landing page where you can get a 30-day free trial on any plan that Kajabi offers. They have Basic, Growth and Pro. So as I said, this can save you hundreds of dollars because usually Kajabi offers a 14-day free trial. Now with this you get the extended 30-day free trial. So that's half a month that you won't have to pay the subscription, which could be $250, but at a minimum you will save $90 by using the link down in the description. So from here continue with Google or continue with email. So here enter your details, being your first name, last name, email and your password. Now here you will need to enter your payment information, then your postal code and click Start Free Trial. From there you will get the 30-day free trial. You can also bill annually to save more money after your trial, but for most people they'll want to get started with monthly. So now you know how to get an extended 30-day free trial to Kajabi. Again, go and click on the link down in the description to take you to this special page. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.